everyone, this is the first episode of PRATIC Machine Tool Manufacturing column. I am Jiabei. Next, in this column, I will lead PRATIC's R&D engineers to introduce PRATIC's various product series. Today, I would like to introduce to you our PB series of profile processing centers. This equipment has become our sales leader since its launch, and the demand is in short supply. Next, we would like to invite our R&D engineer, Mr. Feng, to introduce this equipment to you. Then let us introduce it. Hello everyone, today I will introduce to you our PB series equipment. This equipment is a PB series. Compared with our previous traditional new production machines, this equipment has several outstanding advantages. First, it uses a large inclined high bed, which is very conducive to the equipment processing chip removal and anti-leakage spare parts. Second, this series of equipment has 1.8 meters and 2.5 meters and adopts a 3-combination transmission, which well guarantees high precision processing and truly achieves one device is better than multiple small force processing and can effectively guarantee the high precision processing of industrial profiles. Third, the acceleration of this equipment reaches 0.7 G, while a large part of the profile machines on the market have an acceleration of 0.3 or 0.5 G, which improves the processing efficiency by 30% or 100%. In addition, our new PB series acquisition has two specifications, TB650 and PP850, mainly with workbench 650 and 850. They can reach 1.8 meters, 2.5 meters, 4 meters, 5.6 meters, and 5.5 meters respectively. These are our regular models, which are suitable for different industries. This is also the reason why our products have more scale advantages and are more cost-effective. Our PD series equipment also highlights Prada's classic blue color. The double-door machine head adopts Prada's unique blue, which is more visually attractive, embodies a fashionable beauty, and has a combination of technology and high-end. This is also the classic of our design and color matching. In addition to the unique appearance and the configuration of steel-plastic steel bars, the main shaft of this PB series equipment uses a 12,000-pack large view BT40 main shaft, standard Falak and Siemens International systems, 24T automatic tool change disc, tool magazine, horse feet, various female generals, and other composite materials. Okay, thank you for Mr. Feng's introduction. Our PP series products can not only be used in the profile processing of the new energy vehicle industry, such as battery trays, rod processing, as well as anti-collision beams, bumpers, etc., but also in our high-speed rail industry, door and window curtain wall industry, and our aircraft industry, etc. For example, our processing plan is to process the rod frame of the TV pallet. Since the length of the workpiece is nearly 2 meters, we chose the PB65/25 with a turntable, which can be clamped and processed on 3 sides in turn. The waterside tape is used during processing, but thanks to the protection of our high bed ropes and high railings, the workshop and equipment can be kept clean. For standard frame plate racks, such as energy storage boards, an 8.5-meter workbench is selected. If there are multiple processing requirements, you can also choose to install the table and add a swing head to achieve one-time loading of money, which greatly reduces the downtime of all processing surfaces. The introduction of the PP equipment ends here. If you are interested in our other equipment, you can also continue to follow our video account, Douyin account, and official account. If you are interested in the equipment, you can also consult our local sales and dealers for an understanding. In the next episode, we will introduce a non-standard customized equipment to you. See you next time.